Salmon fishing in the Northwest is a popular and exciting activity for many. The region offers an opportunity for anglers to catch various species of salmon, including Chinook, coho, and sockeye. Fishing for salmon provides not only a great experience, but also a chance to appreciate the beauty of nature and the abundance of marine life in the area. In this video, we will discuss the Chinook salmon. We will also go over how understanding and appreciating the life cycle of salmon can help us protect and preserve these incredible fish for future generations to come. A Chinook salmon, also known as the king salmon, is a type of salmon known for its impressive size and is highly valued for its flavorful flesh. This native fish is one of the most fascinating fishes found in Idaho. Its body is silver to olive colored. They range from 18 to 40 inches and can attain a weight of 45 pounds. Idaho's Chinook salmon are often loosely separated into three groups: spring, summer, and fall, based on their size and ocean life history. Chinook salmon are an anadromous fish, meaning they are born in fresh water, migrate to the ocean to mature, and then return to fresh water to spawn. They play a significant role in the ecosystem and are an iconic species in many regions. Freshwater streams and saltwater environments. Chinook salmon, also known as king salmon, can be found in both freshwater streams and saltwater environments. They start their life in freshwater, where they hatch from eggs in gravel nests, then migrate to the ocean to grow and mature before returning to their natal streams to spawn. Their habitat includes a diverse range of environments to support their life cycle. From eggs in gravel nests to fry, smolts, and back for spawning. The life cycle of a Chinook salmon is quite fascinating. These salmon start as eggs in gravel nests in freshwater streams, and once they're hatched, they transform into fry and then smolts as they head into the ocean. In the ocean, they grow and mature before making the incredible journey back to their natal streams to spawn. It's a remarkable cycle that showcases the resilience and determination of these amazing fish. Migration journey. The migration journey of Chinook salmon is truly remarkable. These fish face various challenges during their journey, such as predators, dams, and pollution. Despite these obstacles, they navigate their way from freshwater streams to the ocean and back to their natal streams for spawning. It's a challenging and awe-inspiring journey that showcases the strength and endurance of the Chinook salmon. It should be noted that adults returning to spawn do not eat. They live off their own fat reserves. Salmon migrate for various reasons, such as spawning and finding suitable environments for feeding and growth. Their migration cycle is essential for their survival and plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem that they inhabit. Salmon typically live for about 3 to 7 years, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Some salmon species, like the Chinook salmon, can live for up to 7 years, while others, like the pink salmon, usually live for about 3 to 4 years. The lifespan of salmon is influenced by factors such as habitat quality, food availability, and natural predators. However, salmon naturally die after spawning, which is a part of their life cycle. Once they have laid 4,500 to 10,000 eggs in the gravel of the riverbed, the adult salmon often die shortly after. This process is known as semelparity, where salmon reproduce once and then pass away, making space for the next generation to thrive. Importance to ecosystem. Contribution to nutrient cycling. Salmon, like Chinook salmon, are crucial to the ecosystem because they contribute to nutrient cycling. When they return to freshwater to spawn, they bring marine-derived nutrients from the ocean, which enriches the ecosystem and supports various plant and animal species. Additionally, they serve as a food source for other animals, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Salmon contribute to nutrient cycling by carrying nutrients from the ocean to freshwater habitats during their migration. When salmon return to spawn and die in rivers, their bodies decompose, releasing valuable nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus into the ecosystem. These nutrients enrich the soil, benefiting plants, insects, and other organisms in the food web. Conservation efforts. Protecting Chinook salmon populations for the future. Conservation efforts for salmon focus on protecting and restoring their habitats, managing fisheries sustainably, and reducing threats like pollution and habitat destruction. These efforts aim to ensure healthy populations of salmon for the future and maintain the balance of the ecosystem that they are part of. Dams can significantly impact salmon migration by creating physical barriers that obstruct their natural migration routes. This can lead to delays, increased energy expenditure, and higher mortality rates for the salmon. Dams also alter water flow, temperature, and sediment levels, which can further disrupt the salmon's migration patterns and habitat. Salmon populations can recover from dam impacts through various conservation efforts. By implementing fish passage structures like fish ladders and fish bypass systems, restoring habitats, and managing fisheries sustainably, salmon populations can have a chance to recover and thrive despite the challenges posed by dams. It's essential to continue these efforts to support the recovery of the salmon populations affected by dams. Some specific conservation efforts for salmon include habitat restoration projects to improve spawning grounds, regulating fishing practices to prevent overfishing, implementing fish passage structures to help salmon navigate obstacles like dams, and raising awareness about the importance of preserving salmon populations for the ecosystem. These efforts aim to protect and sustain salmon populations for the long term. Fish passage structures help salmon by providing them with a way to navigate obstacles like dams during their migration. These structures allow salmon to move upstream to their spawning grounds, ensuring that they can complete their life cycle successfully. By assisting salmon in overcoming barriers, fish passage structures can help maintain healthy salmon populations and support ecosystem balance. Salmon are incredible because of their remarkable ability to navigate long distances, their role in nutrient cycling, and their importance in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Their resilience and contribution to the environment make them truly fascinating creatures. From their birth in freshwater streams to their epic migration to the ocean and back for spawning, salmon play a vital role in the ecosystem. Understanding and appreciating the life cycle of salmon can help us protect and preserve these incredible fish for future generations to come. Salmon fishing regulations in the Northwest vary depending on the specific location and time of year. It's essential to check with local authorities or the Department of Fish and Wildlife for the most up-to-date information on fishing seasons, catch limits, and any special regulations that may apply to ensure a sustainable and enjoyable fishing experience. If you are interested in learning more about the benefits of eating salmon and the nutrients of this fish, head over to Gem State's Tables channel. We hope you took something out of this video. If you are planning a salmon fishing trip this summer, be safe and remember to appreciate Mother Nature's beauty. In the meantime, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching.